IGL EcoCoat Trim, a technologically advanced REACH-compliant coating to protect the surfaces of rubber, trim, and plastic surfaces. Let's check it out. EcoCoat Trim is a highly reactive ceramic coating based on nanotechnology that instantly impregnates and forms a chemical bond which cross-links with the surface and restores faded color in the plastics. EcoCoat Trim is 6H on the pencil scale. The result is a rejuvenated, enriched, and protected surface that will resist fading for up to 2 years. First, you're going to want to take the pre-coat and you're going to spray the surface to pull anything that is embedded into the pores of the plastic or rubber or trim out so that the coating will stick directly to and embed and cross-link with it. Next, we're going to take our applicator block, our applicator cloth, and we are going to apply the trim to it and then apply it to the surface that you would like protected. After the first layer of trim, you're going to want to apply the second one after 2 hours, but no longer than 12 hours. If you don't, what's going to happen is the first layer might not bond correctly with the second layer. The applied coating will fully cure in 3 to 5 days. During this period, the surface should not be washed with any harsh shampoo, all-purpose cleaner, or anything containing caustic soda. This will damage the hydrophobic properties. The coated surface can be washed with just normal water during this period. That is EcoCoat Trim. To find this and other products, go to iglcoatingsusa.com. Or if you do not have an account and you'd like one, contact me directly at jturcott@iglcoatingsusa.com.